Today we're going to be doing a cool horse toy review.
Oh yeah!
So I found this online. It's a mini MIXIEQ'S Ranch.
Oh, it kind of looks like your ranch, Kelly.
It sure does.
And Keeley.
So I thought it would be cool to open this. And it even has a mini figure right there.
I got an idea. Why don't we set it up like your ranch at your house?
That sounds like a good idea.
Let's do it, y'all!
All right, let's get this thing opened up.
Let's tear into it.
Ooh.
There's our mini. Look at that. Take all the pieces out.
Ooh, this is the mystery character. We'll open it in a second. Oh, here's the little flyer.
Look at all our little friends. Adventurous, sweet, adorable, and fabulous mom minis. Legacy, enchanting, wild, bold, and fierce.
Cool.
Very cool.
Oh my gosh. Look, there's a cowgirl and an equestrian.
That's kind of like you and me, Keeley.
Yeah. This popped out.
They're miniature us. And they're working on the farm.
Whoa! That flew. Kelly's gonna get that for us.
Kelly's the ranch hand.
Thanks, Kelly. Look at all the cool characters.
They got outfits like us on. All right.
Got my scissors.
Got your skizzers. Looks like a little horsey right there.
A little horse and carriage.
Hey, horse. Well, Kelly, what do horses like to eat?
Hay.
Hay? Oh, that's right. Hey, you.
Hey, hey. All right, so we're gonna have Kelly put the cowgirl. Okay, where's the hat?
Where's the hat? Where's the hat?
Oh, there it is. So I think this one goes all together. So you put that one together.
Okay.
Efun, are you hungry?
I've been working all day and I haven't had anything to eat.
Your stomach's on
My
fire.
stomach is growling for some sausage and eggs.
So I think it goes, let's see. Oh, perfect. You're off. What is this? Oh, here. Is that right? Or what's this guy?
Put them
Oh,
all together.
Here, hold on. This guy goes there. And that, sorry, I gave you the wrong ones. Awesome job. Then the cowboy hat. I think it goes this way, so this is the front.
That's a nice looking hat you got there,
Awesome.
partner.
All right. Let's see. I'll put the equestrian lady together. There's her hat. Ooh. And there's her little. Goes this way.
Kind of looks like you, Kelly and Keeley.
Yeah, so cute. Let's look. Adorable.
They're like best friends. They work together.
So here's the little horsey.
Brrr.
So here are the little jumps. So these go over here in the yard, in the pasture. He has a little, like a trophy with a horse on top.
Ooh, I like trophies.
Put that right there.
Put that right on the mantle.
Comes with a little carriage, so we can put the horse, attach it like that. And then put them right there. And then even one of the characters can go inside.
Get him on the horsey.
And then see, it has a little horse and carriage. Eee, hi. That's cute. And then it has a hot walker. Eee. Eee.
They go in circles.
So the horse can exercise.
Is that for training too?
Look at all the footprints. How cute is that? Now let's turn this around.
That's like what Winston runs around in.
A little barn with a water trough. Let's take this little girl out. Take the horse out. Put the horse in the barn. See? Oh, and here's the, I guess this is their stable too. Little stalls. Then you can close it. And there's like little farrier area to do their shoes. And then this is the entry gate of the barn. Oh, this is, where does that go? Oh, I see.
Are they doors?
Yeah, it goes right there. That opens and closes. How cute. Oh, let's open the mystery character.
I want to see the mystery character, and I want to see what's inside now. What is it?
Ooh. It is a girl with hair. Kelly will put her together.
Put it together, Kelly. Look at all the fun.
Oh, and I forgot to show this pitchfork. For poop. Let's put it over near the barn. Let's show them. Oh my goodness, how cute.
She's got quite the hairstyle.
And let's put this little carriage right there. Hi! I inquired yesterday about a tour of your ranch. I was wondering if I could do that today.
Sure.
Awesome! Wow, it's beautiful. Oh, is this gate? Here, let's push it that way. Thank you. Ooh, what's this yellow stuff?
Oh, this is hay. The
Oh!
horses eat some of it.
Oh, cool. Oh, okay. Ooh, what's this pink thing? Is this a carriage? Yeah, it looks like it. And then what's in here? Oh, is that a little barn? And then a water trough?
Yeah.
And a pitchfork?
Yeah.
That's a cool area.
This is where our horses are.
Oh my goodness, they're so cute. This one's Licorice and Brownie. They're so cute. I love their names. They're so cute.
Thanks. But you know which one's my pony?
Oh, which one's yours?
Oh, the brown one.
The brown one?
Yeah.
Brownie?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, what's that over there? What's this over here?
Oh, this is where our horses
It looks like a jumping course. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I want to do this so bad. It looks so fun. So you just do this course, and then the horses jump over the fences.
Yes.
And then this is the winning podium. Cool. That's so cool. Is this the trophy you won?
Yeah.
Wow, you must be really good at horseback riding.
Yeah, Mom, want to try right now?
I'm kind of nervous. Can I watch you ride?
Okay.
Oh, wait. What's that over there? What's this? Oh, it's like a walker.
What is a walker?
Oh, so the horse goes there and it just walks around?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. The horse exercise. That's so cool. It's like the horse exercise itself. All right, which horse is yours again? Brownie?
Mom.
Okay, so are you going to ride her for me?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. So here, let's see. Here you go. I want to watch you do the jump course. No, I want you to go to the jump course. I'm gonna watch you do the jump course. Whoa! Wow! How long have you been riding?
Why can I so much?
I know, you've been riding for years, it looks like. 5 years?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's amazing. I want to be good just like you. But I'm sure that takes practice.
Yeah, you gotta take practice.
Well, thank you so much. I have to go though, but I'd love to schedule lessons with you.
Okay, I can just show you later.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye, Brownie.
Bye.
Bye. Oh my God. Oh, thank you, sir. I appreciate the tour.
Yeah,
Absolutely. Come back anytime.
Bye, guys.
Take care.
Oh my gosh, I'm in love with horses. Oh my
All
gosh.
right, folks, that's it for today. We're going to close up this ranch, and we'll see y'all later. Take care, partner.
Howdy.
Bye-bye.
Wait, let's put all the characters.